Widget Wednesday, where the first Wednesday of every month, we speak with one of our site power users on their experience with CraneView and how it's changed the way they work for the better. So for those of you that are new here, CraneView is an IoT and AI system that leverages an under-the-hook lifting accessory that measures thousands of data points, including things like crane utilization, idle times, double handling, material types, and more. By having a true baseline and continuously measuring your production rates, you can use these valuable insights to improve your job site productivity for future projects and the ones you're doing today. So my name is Jackie Gilbo, Director of Product Marketing with Versatile. And on this Widget Wednesday, we're joined by one of our amazing users, Lewie Candler from Hawaiian Dredging Construction Company, Hawaii's largest and most diversified general contractor. So Lewie, thank you for joining us. Tell us about yourself and the project that you're on right now.
Well, all I do is the tunnel form. So basically I just play with very large toys. And I'm actually not physically on any job right now, but I'm planning about 7 of them.
Okay.
So that's where I'm at. And
so what's the last one that you used CraneView on? I know you've had a few.
Yeah, it would be the central at Ala Moana, which is now previous to that, I've taken crane pick notes for years manually, but you folks have upgraded it. So we get crane pick notes literally daily. And besides that, we also get to get the weights. So you save me a lot of work in that respect. And also, you know, I always use my data and now yours for Monday morning quarterbacking myself and also for the crew. So I noticed that on the last job, over the industry average, we saved about, well, it's north of $3 million just by not wasting crane time, which is a huge difference on the job. And what we've actually done is change the culture of the workers, which in to a large respect has to do with see, I don't have a crane schedule. I give everybody their stuff in time. I tell them just be ready, and everybody else that I know of has a schedule, and whoever's on the schedule, they make sure to use up all their time. So they have a real built-in inefficiency, which I've been able to break on my tunnel form jobs, and I think the company is caught on to that. Is that the crane efficiency is the big thing. And of course, Versatile is a very big help towards that goal.
Thank you.
Because,
I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're welcome. Anyway, what you folks have done, I thought was, well, I'm actually very appreciative of it, because I was told by many people, not very kindly, how foolish I was for taking my crane pick notes. And now you folks have come along and made it real high tech, and you've made it so anybody can do it, and they can actually sit in front of their computer like I'm at now, and they can see, you know, when the best time is to be loading trucks or doing this, doing that, or you can actually see the data as it comes in, you know, and you see pictures of it where you can see people that either are or aren't doing their job, which drastically affects your bottom line. So yeah, it's a very good thing you got going.
So Lewie receives a daily report with a summation of things that we call widgets. So Lewie, which data points or widgets would you say are the most valuable for you to review every morning before you start your jobs?
Well, you know, that's a very hard question, because I look at all of that stuff, and it all is very important. And, you know, like for you know, a lot of it, like daily, would be the crane pick times. And of course, you know, if I know it was real windy today, then okay, my times are going to be worse, because sometimes you're just waiting for the wind to die down. But, you know, and of course, if it's rain, that's another issue. But then when the job is done and you're planning for the next ones, a real big thing is the crane pick sequencing, because you know, every job is different, but there's a lot of things that are very similar. So you want to make sure to, you know, you are going to have a lot of apples to apples comparisons, and you can pick all them out, and you know, you can really decide on your with your planning of, you know, what you want to do to for the maximum efficiency.
Mhm. You've gotten a lot of value out of the system, and I really appreciate you joining us today. And thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So for people who want more information, we can always be found at versatile.ai, or you can reach us at letstalk@versatile.ai. Thank you and see you next time.
Yeah, thank you, Jackie.